Hello everyone and welcome to this round of EdTalks. We have with us today Arja, who is Provost and VP Academic at Brock University. Hi Arja.
Hi, thank you for the welcome.
Thank you Arja. So Arja, what is it about Canada and about Brock University that interests Indian students, and do you have a fun campus?
Oh, do we ever? So I've been at Brock for just a couple of months, and so I can very honestly say that it is one of the most welcoming universities I have ever been to. And we have a very strong Indian community on campus, which I think is something that draws more Indian students to the campus. We've got about 800 Indian students there already in many different programs. Not only is the campus a lot of fun with all kinds of different opportunities for extracurricular activities, but it is in a very fun location. The Niagara Peninsula with the Niagara Falls and the vicinity of Toronto, and so there's access to a lot of things around our campus.
Okay, so do all the programs, the degree programs at Brock, are they aligned with the labor market? And what are the more popular programs?
That's a very good question. I think a good statistic to know about that one is that 96% of our students are employed in the fields that they study 2 years after graduation. So I think that the short answer to your question is yes, our programs lead to careers after education. Brock is a comprehensive university, so you can study almost anything you wish at the university, but some of the programs that are obviously very interesting to Indian students are perhaps our business programs in the Goodman School of Business, our computer science program. We have a brand new integrated engineering program. We have strong programs in education, in social sciences, health and sports, and a growing program in drama as well.
Okay, so how does Brock support international students, including scholarships, healthcare, accommodation, co-op opportunities?
So one of the things to know about Brock is that we rank number one in mental health supports to our students. We take very good care of our students and rank very highly in student satisfaction as well overall. We have generous scholarships for students. We are one of very few universities in Canada that are able to guarantee a residence place to all incoming students. So you can live right on campus. The campus is a very safe place to be. You get to know the other students well. We have a good, strong international student ambassador program, which means that you are paired with other students when you come in who will be able to help you get to know the campus very well. Brock has always been a forerunner in creating co-op opportunities. So what that means is that in virtually every program there's an opportunity for experiential learning or actually a co-op placement, which leads then to those connections for future jobs in the area.
So talking of jobs, what are the job opportunities available on campus as well as off campus?
So we have very strong connections to the local community and networks, and so the local community, the university was born as a sort of initiative of the local community, and they hire our students in their businesses and in all kinds of events and so on around. But we also on campus have a strong program for hiring our students in the libraries, in all kinds of aspects of the university. There are a lot of opportunities there.
Okay. Recently, IRCC has made a lot of changes and a lot of new policies have been announced. So do you think all these policies are very progressive, and are they going to be helping international students?
I think the goal of those policy changes is to make sure that every student coming to Canada will be supported, and that the experience of studying at Canadian universities and at Brock University in particular are going to be positive and strong experiences. So I would say that the changes have been positive in that regard.
Thank you, Arja. It was great talking to you. And for the rest of you, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our socials to know more about international education and all the updates. Thank you.